Chef Todd here in Boulder Ridge Kitchen. Today we're going to make a homemade charred tomato and chipotle salsa. The method and technique here can be used in a lot of different ways to make traditional Mexican salsas, whether you use tomatoes or tomatillos. Whatever peppers you can use to your taste. If you like it extra spicy, you're going to use more. We're just going to start off with whatever tomato you like. I'm going to be using some grape tomatoes today, but you can take regular beefsteak tomatoes, chopped up, cherry tomatoes, whatever you like. We're going to lay them out on a pan. I've got some diced onions, jalapeno that I haven't chopped, but I have taken the seeds out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this under the broiler. So use your broiler oven at home. I'm going to broil them until the skin of the tomatoes is charred. Probably about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tomatoes out. You can see they've got a nice char on them as well as the peppers and the onions. I'm going to take them out and just go ahead and move them into another container where we're going to blend. Okay, so we've got our tomatoes in a container. For blending, you can use a food processor if you want, or a blender. In this case, I'm going to use an immersion blender. The last few things we're going to finish it off with is I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of minced garlic and about 3 pieces of chipotle peppers with their juice. And then I'm also going to hit it with the juice of 1 lime and 2 sprigs of cilantro picked. And then I'm going to go with the blender. My reason for using the immersion blender instead of like a beverage blender is you want to keep a little bit of, just a little bit of chunkiness to it without turning it completely smooth.